So to get the file size is quite an easy process. What you would do is you would get the number of pixels vertically, which in this case is 800. Something about 800 here. Get the horizontal number of pixels, which is 600, and multiply them together. And then get the bit depth and multiply that as well into the equation. So 800 times 600 times 1 will give you an answer in bits. Pause the video, work it out. This will give you 480,000 bits, pixel bits. Normally you'll be asked to turn it into, let's say, kilobytes or megabytes. So what I want you to do is actually now turn this into, say, the 480,000 into, we'll do kilobytes. Nice and easy. Pause the video, give it a go. So the process goes, you've got your bits, divide it by 8, and you'll be given 60,000. To turn it to kilobytes, not times, divide it by 1024, which will give you something along the lines of, I think it's 58.9, I think it is, 58.5. If you wanted to turn that into megabytes, you times it again by 1024. Quite simple, I'm hoping. Now, if you had a different color depth, so let me bring up the previous screen. So in this scenario, I would like you to turn this into kilobytes. So the first thing I want you to do is actually just write out the steps on how to turn it to kilobytes. Do that now. So the color depth is 4. Keep that in mind, that's a 4. Okay, so what you should have had, step 1. 800 times 600 times 4. You then need to divide it by 8, and that'll turn it into bytes. So you basically turn it from bits into bytes. You then need to turn it into kilobytes. So you take your bytes and you times it by 1024. So let's see what answer you've got. Actually do it now. So you should have this. If not, retrace your steps. Okay, so the next part of the video is going to be looking at video, ironically.